We'll guide you through how to import data from Brave to Edge. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Brave, Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge are already installed on your computer. This method uses Chrome as an intermediate step because Microsoft Edge cannot directly import data from Brave. Begin by closing both Brave and Chrome completely, so no profile files are being used in the background. Open File Explorer, type 𝗟𝗏𝗘𝗗 into the address bar, and press Enter. Navigate to the Brave software folder, then open Brave Browser or Brave Browser Nightly if you use the nightly version. Locate the user data folder and copy it. Next, open a new File Explorer tab and browse to 𝗟𝗏𝗘𝗗𝗗, then Google, then Chrome. Find Chrome's user data folder and rename it to User Data Backup, or any other backup name you prefer. After that, paste the copied Brave user data folder into the Chrome directory. Now launch Microsoft Edge, click the Settings and More button in the top right corner and choose Settings. Open the Profiles section if it is not already selected, then click Import Browser Data. Choose the option to import data from Google Chrome. Select the profile you want to import, choose the data types you would like to transfer, and click Import. Wait for the import process to finish, review the confirmation message, and click Done. Once the import is complete, close Microsoft Edge. Open File Explorer again and return to the Chrome directory located inside the local app data folder. Delete the temporary user data folder that was copied from Brave. Then rename User Data Backup back to User Data so Chrome is restored to its original state. Finally, launch both Chrome and Edge and verify that everything is working correctly. Check that your imported bookmarks, browsing data, passwords, extensions, and other selected information are available inside Edge. If all of your expected data appears successfully and both browsers open normally without any issues, the migration process is complete and your Brave data has been transferred to Microsoft Edge using Chrome as a simple bridge between the two browsers.